What is going on all? I just got my new bowl set that Divitis Home has sent me, and hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, and if I'm not, that's how it should be pronounced because it sounds nice. So first thing I noticed as these came in and we opened up the box, undid all the styrofoam, and pulled this out is these are beautiful. I don't even know if the camera catches it because they're actually prettier and nicer than they would look like in the picture. Uh, this is one of those under promise over deliver type of things, which are great. I mean, and each one is slightly different. And this is the blue marble and porcelain, and it's just nice. And look how well it goes with our mugs. And so what I'm going to end up doing in here, which we don't have time for today, is I'm going to throw some of these Campari tomatoes in there, maybe some feta cheese and cucumbers, and this is it's just a really, really nice big bowl. I think this is going to be great for Asian soups as well, even though it's made for as a salad bowl. I believe it can withstand quite a bit of heat, and this size, for me, is perfect for a bowl of like really fancy ramen. Something that I would serve and not necessarily eat out by myself because these are really, really nice.